Okay guys, step one. First of all, check that you've got a van. I've got one. Check your tyres. On this one, I've got 4. Just check the depth of the tread and wiper blades. Just make sure they're in good condition. And also, give your window a squirt. While you're at it, just check the horn. And also, don't forget to check your lights and your indicators. Don't forget to check your brake lights and your brakes. And fill up your washer fluids. Check your coolant level. The thing with new vans is your tyre pressure, your oil level and most everything else will come up as a warning on your dashboard. So that's it guys, it only takes 2 minutes but it's worth it, and I'll be watching, I'll be checking.